Hi there, I'm Dennis. In this video, I'll take you through how to trim and to cut in CapCut for Mac. So in CapCut, I have imported a video here. I'm just going to drag this onto my timeline. I'm going to zoom in. Now, this is our clip. So let's say you want to make a cut somewhere around there. You're going to move your cursor and click there. And then just come here and use the split option. When you click that, the clip has been split, or rather the cut has been made. You can just try that again. Let's try that here. Go and click split. Alternatively, you can use Command plus B. Say you want to go here and just leave the mouse and just hit Command plus B. That way the clip has been split. So to trim a clip, you just have to go maybe to the beginning. Just wait for your cursor to change, normally from the arrow to something like that. Drag up to where you want to trim, and you have trimmed. Automatically this will ripple trim, so that means when you trim from the beginning, it will automatically delete what was trimmed. You can just come here to the end and just trim as well, and the clip has been trimmed. So that is how you trim and cut in CapCut for Mac. Thank you.